Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we got another Box Month Knife Club. This is Somebody Ran It Over edition. Wasn't me. But before we get into this box, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring that notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, yeah, let's hopefully do this. Alright, so we are back with our friends from Monthly Knife Club, and as always, if you are interested in this particular subscription service, there is a link to them in the description box of this video. They are a monthly subscription box service, and they've got a lot of boxes to choose from, like this particular box that has a knife and some other items, or if you just want knives delivered to you, you can get that as well. And they've got some different tiers for you to choose from, so you can go, you know, you can make the box however really you want it. But yeah, this box here's got some damage, so hopefully the items in it weren't damaged. I'm hoping. I'm really hoping. Oh man, it looks like some stuff did kind of maybe get hurt, but hopefully everything will be all right. All right, so they have an advanced plan, a premium, and ultimate in these type of boxes. This is the advanced plan. And then they've got, for just knives, they got a standard name brand knife plan. They have a tier 2 name brand knife, and then they have an Onyx collector's knife plan that you can choose from. They do have a lot of social medias on there, as you can see. Hopefully that focused and you can go check them out. You really should. They are a supporter of the channel. They hooked me up with some knives, and matter of fact, we got a giveaway going right now. And they sent them over for me to review, and instead of reviewing them, I kind of turn it around and I give you a chance to win them. So yeah, these are really awesome people. Okay, so it says, greetings yet again, beloved Monthly Knife Club members. Spooky season is in the air. And with that, let's get started with our advanced plan. This plan starts out with, let's see, we're going to go ahead and start pulling stuff out before we read that. Okay, we got some of this Instafire. This fire starter, all natural, works in harsh conditions. This pouch has, what, 4 of them in here? It's a 3-pack. Okay, so this is a little blister pack, or a bundle pack, of 3 of the individual packets. And I do have some of this Instafire stuff, and it does work. And I'll have to go out, since I got 3 of them now, I'll have to go out and try them. Because I do have a lot of gear like this, but unfortunately I don't have a lot of it. And the thing is, I don't want to really use up all my stuff, but stuff like this where I have multiples, I don't feel so bad. So we'll have to take this out and give it a whirl in my backyard. But I know it works because I've used it before. So, okay, and we got a knife that came out of the box, and yeah, this knife was, this knife was out of the box, and this box suffered a lot of the damage. Hopefully the knife is okay, but we'll check it out. And we got us a, oh, check this out, Monthly Knife Club sticker. It's a samurai. What is this? I don't want to start saying, because every time I do it's wrong. It's a warrior otter. Okay, I definitely never, I don't think I would have got that. I would have said something else that would have made me look really dumb, so I'm glad I looked at the card here. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so here's a sticker. Really cool sticker. Has that rainbow hologram type situation going on to it. And it's thick. Like it's very stout. Oh, and it looks like it did receive some damage. So this stuff must have all been on this side of the box when whatever attacked it. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, it's okay, though. It'll still work. Okay, so we got another sticker from Monthly Knife Club, which we really like getting. Okay, let's check out this knife that was kind of open from the box being damaged, because it mangled this. This is a Fox Edge knife. It mangled this box all up. Oh man, that stinks. But the knife looks like it's okay though. Well, before I damage it, anyway. All right, really cool. But what type of knife is this? This is an FE-047. Let's see, FoxKnivesAmericas.com is where you can go if you want to check them out. Let's see what they say about this Fox Edge knife. Let's see. What was it? What did I say it was? The FE047. Okay. It says the all-new FE047 by Fox Edge Knives. This sweet folder features a modified Tonto style. Very skinny. I like that. That's a really good blade profile. I really like that. Stonewash finish. Yep. The blade deploys smoothly and easily via flipper tab, thumb studs, and a ball bearing pivot system. The collar and hardware feature gold copper anodized finish. Handles milled from black G10 for lightness and weight. Lightness of weight and water resistance. The blade locks securely into place with liner locks when you're ready to stow it away. This is a really good looking knife. I like it. And, you know, I like these thinner profile blade pocket knives. And just overall, you know, with them not being quite as fat as something like this that you would carry. You know, I do dig on stuff like this. So, very much appreciated to have this in my EDC rotation. It does have a non-reversible clip, and it does. These coppery color looking bits just kind of highlight off of the black of the scales. Makes it look really, really cool. We got this little skeletonized clip on that side. Really good. Do have thumb studs and the flipper tab. So the scales, as far as the ergonomics of it, it's just kind of, you know, straight. There's no curvature to it to really speak of. We do have some texturing on the liner lock system right here for your index finger to get into, and we do have a little bit of this shape here that goes up to the thumb deployer, which kind of gives you somewhere for your hand to kind of rest up into when you got it in your grip. There's no texturing up here on either side of the scale for the top. There's nothing on the top of the spine here. It's completely bare. There's no texturing to speak of. So that may be you know, something that I know I like it, because, you know, your thumb is a very integral part of your grip when you're doing stuff, and I just like having the jimping there to give you a good purchase with your thumb, so you can have more control of the blade, and especially if you're using your thumb to, you know, do any more, applying any more pressure or force, just to make it more secure. But either way, I do like it. This is a very, very pretty knife. I really, really like this knife. Very nice. And I'm glad it didn't get damaged, because it looks fine. Like the standoffs, the scales don't look bent or anything. The standoffs look fine. So yeah. And it doesn't weigh that much, because we don't have a whole lot of meat in here. It just has a standoff right here, a standoff here, and then we have our pivot system on this back side. So not a whole lot. Yeah, you can see through it right there. So not a whole lot in there. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Very nice. Awesome. Love this knife. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so that's cool. That's awesome. Okay, we got another American Buffalo Knife and Tool Knife. We've got some stuff from them before, and, you know, from at least my memory, which is not the greatest. Matter of fact, my memory's not good at all. I really do seem to remember liking some of the knives we got. Oh, we got a naked guy. Okay, we got a little neck knife. Neck knives, to me, at least from what I've seen, it's a very niche. It's a very, very niche thing. You know, people have opinions about neck knives, and they either really, really like them or they don't really prefer them. I kind of fall in the middle of that camp. Oddly enough, I don't really wear a neck knife that much, but I don't mind them. So I mean, definitely in a situation, you know, I would definitely, hey, better than nothing, man. I would definitely slap a neck knife on. Now the sheath here, the retention would be something I'd be really worried about, the retention, because there really is no retention there to speak of. Just kind of shoving it in these two pieces that are pressed together. Man, I don't know about that. Some of my other neck knives that I have, let's see, do I have them easily accessible? I don't think that I do. But I know one of my neck knives has really, really good retention on it, so it can't just fly out, you know. And this one, I don't think it would fly out, but but it could definitely come out. But very, very nice. Nice little blade. I really like it. I really like the blade. Like, I don't have nothing against it. But if I'm going to be wearing it around my neck, I want it to be secure. I want it to really be secure in its... Well, I don't want that hitting the microphone. And then you guys be getting all kind of funky noises coming in. But yeah, anyway, so we got a neck knife. So no matter how you feel about it, if you would have got this box like me, I got this neck knife. Like I said, I'm not crazy about the sheath mechanism there. I wish it would have some type of, you know, molding in here that could maybe grab onto one of these pieces above where they want you to put like this choil right here. If they could have a piece that could somehow clip onto the back of that when you insert it. And it doesn't seem like it would have been that hard to do, but yeah, they just didn't do it. Okay, so anyway, I like neck knives. You know, I just like it for if it's going to be around my neck and it's going to be moving, you know, a lot, or, you know, whatever. I just want it to be secure. So yeah. Okay, and then the final thing that we got in here is the Smith & Wesson Night Guard Quad Beam Compact LED Flashlight, 300 lumens. This is going to be something that's just more of your commercial stuff that you're going to find in a lot of your outdoor sporting goods, camping stores, like, I don't know, Field & Stream, Academy, Cabela's, Bass Pro Shop. You'll find stuff like this. So we'll have to try this out and see what the good stuff's all about. All right, so that's what we got in this box. And we got some fire starter, we got a flashlight, and we got 2 knives. And definitely the MVP of this box for me is this Fox Edge knife. This was definitely the MVP. I don't know how you guys feel. That's what the comment section is for, to sound off. Let me know what you think. And the texturing on the scales is really nice too. It's not overly aggressive, but it definitely gives you good confidence, especially because you don't have a whole lot of real estate in the scales to hang on to. So I think, you know, having some not overly aggressive, you know, texturing on the scales, but you definitely need some really good texturing there because you don't have a whole lot of real estate. So yeah, I love this. This is a good little knife. I really like this knife. Let's see if it says anything. It didn't tell me anything about it though. It does not. Okay. All right, that's all we got. Okay, so let's see, what else can we got here? The neck knife blade from ABKT, American Buffalo Knife and Tool. Small yet mighty. This neck knife is made from 8 CR13 MOV, okay, with a full tank tonto blade. Handle and sheath are injection molded and allow for easy gripping and storage. Okay, that's it. That's all they say. So there we go. Up next, we have the Night Guard Quad Beam Flashlight from Smith & Wesson. What do they say about this? 330 lumens of bright white light plus 3 secondary LED colors. Oh, wow. Sure enough, it's got red, blue, and green on there. I did not even pay attention to that. But yeah, on the box, on the package here right here, it's got these little other colors. So this is a multicolored LED. All right, that's cool. Well, I know it'd be cool to have the red light, you know, so it doesn't blow out your night vision. So that's cool. All right. All right, so that's it. That's all we got for Month of Knife Club. Now let's see what the values are here. Okay, we got the sticker valued at $3.99, which is not counted in the box. They say that's for free. That's a gift. We love that. The Instafire, $4.99 on the 3-pack, so $5. That's actually probably the correct price. ABKT, the Recon Fixed Blade Neck Knife, $19.95. That sounds to me about right. I don't know, $19.99. That's probably about right. Okay, the Smith & Wesson Night Guard Quad Beam Flashlight, $31.99 on that. And I would probably expect to see that somewhere in the neighborhood of $31, $32, sitting on the shelf, like I said, at one of those commercially available retail locations. That would not be out of the realm of possibility, like it wouldn't blow your mind or you wouldn't think, you know, nothing crazy about that. And then we got the Fox Edge FE047. Yeah. Folding knife, $34.95. So only $35 for this little guy. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. So our total value of the box was $91.92. I wonder if that's including the $4 for the sticker. 20, 30, 50, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, they didn't. Okay, so awesome. So that's the value that we got in that box. All right, so that's all I got, guys. Hit the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. This, you know, like I said, I'm still maintaining the MVP is the Fox knife. The fact that your flashlight here has multiple colors did not bump it up any in my view and estimation. I still like the knife better, better. And we'll definitely give this Instafire we'll give it some shine, and we'll see what it'll do. If I can burn my backyard up with some Instafire, we'll check it out and see. All right, guys, that's all I got. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. And like I said, if you are interested in Monthly Knife Club, they are a supporter to the channel. Hit the link down in my description box for Monthly Knife Club. And, you know, show them some love if you're looking for a box like this. If you want to get some gear. Now, they do have in this particular, you know, area here of where you get not just a blade, but you also get some other items. This is the advanced plan. This is like the lowest tier you can get. They have a premium that's above this one. And then they have an ultimate plan, which is above this one. And let's see. So if you got the premium plan, it would have added everything here, and it also would have added a Linton cutlery cord wrapped dagger fixed blade that had a $50 value. If you step to the ultimate plan, you would have got that plus all this, and it would have added the Concept Knives prickle folding knife that has a $105 value. So yeah, that's kind of how these you know, plans go. So yeah, all right, that's it. I'm out of here, guys, and we will see you guys next time. Hope you're doing well, and hope you enjoyed this video. And let me know what you think about these Monthly Knife Club boxes in the comment section down below. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.